So hey guys, welcome back. Apple just finished launching iPhone 12 series a couple of months ago, and the rumors surfaced online regarding iPhone 13 series. And this time Apple finally is going to listen to users. First of all, this year's iPhone 12 series got a lot of popularity in camera section. That iPhone 12 Pro Max camera is way better than other cameras in the competition. And finally, Apple also brings the OLED panels in all of the models of iPhone 12 series. Now, the biggest drawback of iPhone 12 series is there is no 120Hz of display refresh rate. For Apple users, this is not a big thing, but for Android users, they are getting this feature in a mid-range smartphone. So for now, iPhone 12 series lags in this category so far. Now, talking about iPhone 13 series, Apple is going to improve in a lot of sections. First of all, Apple may bring Touch ID in the power button of iPhone 13 series, or there will be an in-display fingerprint sensor. According to rumors, the most recent rumor is that Apple will bring in-display fingerprint sensor. Now let's see what we will get in iPhone 13 series. Next is you will see LiDAR sensor in all the models of iPhone 13 series. A LiDAR sensor became very popular in iPhone 12 series because it helps in autofocusing in low light conditions, where other phones are struggling so much. There will be 4 models of iPhone 13 series, same as iPhone 12 series, and the 2 Pro models will get 120Hz of display panels, and according to rumors, the notch will become thinner too. Now at the end, you may see one biggest upgrade in iPhone 13 series is that you may see iPhone 13 series phones without a port. And yes, there are so many rumors that claim that iPhone 13 series will come without a port. So it will rely on wireless charging like MagSafe, or maybe you will get some magnetic cables. And now talking about the launch date and pricing, there is no delay in production right now. So expect that iPhone 13 series will launch on time in 4th quarter of 2021. And talking about pricing, I think they will be pretty much similar to iPhone 12 series, but for the Pro models, they will be little bit expensive than the iPhone 12 series Pro model because they will get 120Hz of display refresh rate. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you very soon. Peace out.